Hey, this is Cool Trains in Montreal, and this is something I really want to give a good happening to EXO. Here we are at Pointe train station, and I'm getting the timetable from Vendôme. Look at this, track 3, track 2, Saint Jerome. Yeah, that's great, but I'm not getting Saint Jerome trains here at Pointe Claire. And you can clearly see this is Pointe Claire train station. It even says Gare Pointe Claire. And yet, at Gare Pointe Claire, I'm getting the train schedule. Well, you can't see it from this side, so I'll just walk back over here. Anyways, here's something great about EXO. Sometimes they make mistakes, I guess, whatever. But it's just kind of funny to see here a train schedule from a station that's clearly not the one that I'm at. So I don't know when my train's coming. It'll come when it comes. Well, I think it's supposed to come at 5:30 anyway, but I'll have to check the schedule on my phone. But yeah, don't always trust these. So thanks a lot for watching, and if you like what I'm doing, please subscribe to Cool Trains in Montreal. Have a good day.